You will notice that his fancy bike looks more like a motorcycle, but it's actually a bicycle. The electric bicycle has armor made of carbon and aluminum brakes. Its transmission has 8 speeds and a LED screen that displays all the necessary information such as the battery status, speed, and completed distance. This carbon electric bike made by the Italian brand Moto Pilla. It is equipped with the Shimano step motor 250 watt, 36 volt power supply that allows you to accelerate up to 25 km per hour. There is another more model which has a powerful 500 watt 48 volt electrical motor which is capable of generating a speed of 35 km per hour. The electrical bike is powered by a lithium-ion battery that recharges in about 6 or 8 hours and allows you to cover a distance of 80 kilometers. Most electric bikes are usually quite heavy, and the electrical bicycle from Moto Pilla is no exception, because it weighs 30 kilograms. The company anticipates that this electric bike will be used in the regions with bad roads or some places in Africa, Alaska, Iceland or South America. The power of the electrical motors of carbon bicycles that Moto Pilla offers on the market varies from 250 to 2000 watts, and if you want to order it will cost you about $4,000. The bike invented by the British designer Kevin Scott has an alternative method created for anti-theft protection instead of conventional ones. The massive bike lock goes with every bicyclist because the lock is the bike itself, and you can wrap it around a pole. Quite clever, right? The elasticity in the frame is possible since the latter represents a massive cable ratcheting device. The middle of the structure consists of loose interlocking segments. When the securing cable is pulled taut, elements are firmly anchored in each other, and the frame has the necessary stability. When you want to ride the bike, then you use a lever to loosen the frame, allowing the essential movement of the segments around it by 180 degrees. Smascircle is an innovative brand that makes moving around lightweight, fun, and entertaining. The carbon fiber body frame of Smascircle makes it lightweight and portable. Without the battery, S1 only weighs about 9 kilos, so you can carry it effortlessly. With a few buttons you can fold and unfold it literally in a few seconds. LED headlights and brake lights increase your visibility and allow you to travel safely at night. The innovative wheel hub motor system of Smascircle S1 and its 8-inch solid tires provide power and efficiency. After downloading and registering in Smascircle app, you get all the bike stats directly on your phone. You can travel at a speed of 20 km per hour and a range of approximately 13 miles or 20 km on one charge. The bike made of carbon fibers has 2 operational modes, normal mode and sport mode, and the rechargeable lithium battery of 1 takes 3.5 hours to charge. For safety reasons, Smascircle has designed the S1 with a non-zero startup mechanism which is made to ensure that the throttle can work just once the motor and rear wheel both sense external force. Are you looking for something different? Atto is not a bicycle but an advanced mobility scooter designed and made by Mobility Life. This scooter offers ultimate mobility because you can fold it within seconds to the size of a trolley suitcase. The ergonomic and height adjustable seat, height and adjustable angle steering rod display, and wide chassis make it very comfortable to ride. The speed of Atto is limited to pedestrian use. The e-bike by Audi is a high-performance sports machine. It has Audi Connect and e-tron technology. In addition, its design reflects the concentrated dynamism of the brand. It is a lean, light, and efficient vehicle, the principles of motorsport-inspired Audi designers. Likewise, this e-bike focuses a lot on technology, being extremely precise and functional. For this project, Audi has collaborated with Bike when building the Audi Sport e-tron, but before going into detail, just say that its price is €15,000. That is, if you can afford it, then it will probably be the garage made of an Audi R8, RS6 or some other 6-digit priced beast. Its frame is made of carbon and its decoration is carried out by the Audi Industrial Design Studio in Munich. The weight of the frame remains 11 kilograms, without counting the electrical components, which are lithium-ion batteries housed in the chassis and a 2.3 kV motor, 3.2 CV, coupled to the rear wheel. The weight/power ratio achieved is 9 kilograms per kilowatt, a record for a vehicle of these characteristics. Batteries fully recharge in 2.5 hours, and can be easily replaced with charged ones. The curious thing about the Audi e-bike is the different pedaling modes that it allows, and that we can control from the bike's touchscreen. In muscle power mode, the e-bike works like a conventional bicycle. That is, with the power of the cyclist's legs. The pedelec mode combines the strength of the muscles with the help of the electric motor, which allows speeds of up to 80 kilometers per hour, with a range of between 50 and 70 kilometers. When we say Italy, pizza, pasta, and the famous Rome come to mind. Italy is recognized worldwide for its art, culture, food, beautiful location, and architecture. But wait, how about the design? Italians are famous for their designers' abilities too. Do you believe that the wheel can be reinvented? Revolver is not a bike but a wheel designed and reinvented by Andrea Mosellin with the idea of opening new horizons for most foldable vehicles. Revolver occupies up to 60% less space when folded. Its unique hexagon structure provides a solid and iconic design when open or closed. The airless tire allows for compact and modular construction, nothing ever seen before. The practicality of the system needs to give way to the charm of its unique design. When folded, the bike allows the user to store it at home in a backpack or the overhead baggage hold on an airplane. Revolver is compatible with most bicycle and wheelchair designs and every other mode of transportation using large bicycle wheels. Its solid and robust structure makes it reliable and safe. Christians claim that Jesus walked over the water, but I guess this remains just a myth for the time being. We can't do this, but how about something else? Don't you get it? Well, I meant bicycling. Biking on land is cool, but have you ever tried cycling on the open ocean? Manta 5's latest model promises to get you on the water faster and stay there longer. Manta 5 hydrofoil e-bike delivers one of the unique experiences on water to date. Using the same technology as America's Cup sailboats, the Hydrofoiler XE1 perfectly balances stability and maneuverability in all types of water terrain, thanks to carbon fiber foils and electric assistance. The key to getting riders up and flying above the water comes down to the brand's patented Easy Launch technology. One addition to the SL3 is an enhanced throttle-only mode where you can both launch the hydrofoiler and cruise on the water's surface without pedaling. Think of it as a jet ski, only without the noise and emissions. Oh, and don't forget the wings. The SL3 is made from carbon fiber and aircraft-grade aluminum, making it buoyant enough to float and light enough to carry. Its sleek design allows it to be broken down and packed into any size car. Guy Howard Willis founded Manta 5 in 2011, bringing to life one of his recurring dreams, cycling on water. He teamed up with designer Roland Alonso, and they tweaked and trialed their way to a prototype. The first consumer-ready model, the XE1, reached New Zealand consumers in January 2020 and international markets in 2021. Manta 5's hydrofoiler XE1 defies simple categorization. During operation, it looks and feels a lot like riding a bicycle, but it has no wheels, so it isn't one. It's also used on 70% of the planet where there aren't any trails, rivers, lakes, and oceans. Electric bike in your backpack. It's impossible. If we mention the name impossible, we will hardly know the actual product behind it. It is a folding electric bicycle that initially appeared on Kickstarter, and its creators ensure that it can fit in a backpack, taking up little more than the space of a laptop and weighing 5 kilograms. This great bike is designed to be agile and entirely adaptable to your lifestyle, with a futuristic frame and wheels. The Impossible bike is driven by the thinnest motor and 2,900 mAh battery, which provides a range of 45 minutes at a speed of 20 km/h. But one of the limitations is the passenger's weight, where you can move people up to 85 kilograms due to construction restrictions. Impossible is one of the smallest e-bikes on the market nowadays and can be folded into the size of a typical backpack because, as you probably guessed, it is made of ultra-weather resistant carbon fiber. If you want it, Impossible can accompany you anywhere. We carefully researched and produced this video. If you like it and you like these unusual bikes, keep checking for updates.